At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Hit the subscribe button now. Don't forget to check out our back. Welcome back to the Unionist Garage. Today we're going to do another day, another delivery. Another little delivery from Timex Sports. Let's see what we've got, shall we? As always, packaged very, very well. Okay, so Stealth Carbon. Now, if you know Timex website, you'll probably know what these are. But here we go, let's have a good look. So this, to me, is next level stuff. This is an amazing piece of kit. And, well, let's see what you think. So first off, we've got a couple of Stealth Carbon stickers. Then we've got the certificate that it's proper Stealth Carbon and carbon steering wheel. It's even got the serial number of the actual unit we've got here. Well, you know by now, because I've already just said it, it is a carbon steering wheel. There's a little extra bits and pieces in there. So let's see what's in the bag. So you've got the forged carbon ring, and then the Stealth Carbon horn push. Obviously sits on there really nicely. Hopefully you can see the effect. It's like nothing else you've seen. It's a really cool. And then they also have all of the nuts, bolts and the adapters for the horn push for wiring if you need it. Okay, so now time for the main event. It is a forged carbon, full forged carbon. I mean, there's no steel in the centre of this, it's all forged carbon all the way around. It's absolutely flawless. You can see how that forged carbon looks. It's a beautiful look on it. It's really unique. Honestly, this thing is so light you would not believe you're almost holding the thing. It is a gorgeous piece of kit, front and back. Like I say, it is absolutely flawless all round. Absolutely amazing piece of kit. There's a serial number on the back. Lovely, lovely steering wheel. Well, what we're going to do in a moment is we're going to weigh this in against my original Momo steering wheel, okay, and we're going to see what the weight difference is. Then we're going to do a fitment. We're going to put the quick release Boss onto the carbon steering wheel, and then we will fit it on the car. Okay, so we're going to take off the Boss off of here, and then we're going to weigh in the OMP steering wheel against the Stealth Carbon, see what the difference of the weight is there. I've already loosened these off a little bit. What I also have done is I've put a little mark with a Sharpie pen so I know where the top bolt is, so when I go to put that back on I haven't got to keep messing about with it. Okay. So we're now loose. So that's the Boss off. Like I said, if you look at this, I've left that mark on the top of there so you can see where the top bolt is. So then when we put it back on. Okay, so I've got these scales in here. Let's unbox the Stealth Carbon wheel as well, all the parts off. Okay, so that's ready. I mean, I can instantly feel the difference in there, but let's weigh it up. Okay, so I'm just going to put something hard underneath that. Okay, something under the scale so it sits as it should. Zero it off. Okay. So, let's see what the what the OMP wheel will roll in at. Okay, so you can see this is coming in at 1,041 grams just for the OMP steering wheel. Okay, so let's give the Stealth Carbon version a go, shall we? Okay, so you can see we're back at 0. Let's get our Stealth Carbon on there. Let it sit there. And what are we talking about weight? 465 grams. That's an amazing difference in weight there. You can see the light on my camera here actually is bringing out that forged carbon. It looks absolutely stunning. Okay, just going to put the Boss now onto the carbon wheel.
In any particular respect, I think we are at the front.
So there it is.
Or or near the front.
So there you go. The quick release Boss is all on there now, all ready to go into the car. Let's give it a weigh, see what it actually weighs in total now. So there you can go. Even with the Boss, it only weighs 661 grams. So that means the steering wheel with the Boss is lighter than the old OMP steering wheel on its own with no Boss. Madness. Okay, so that's the steering wheel all put back together now. That's got the D1 spec short Boss on it, quick release. The video's up there for that, but we're here today for this little baby. So let's go try it on. Lock it in place. Okay, as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous design. Look how the sun catches that. There's absolutely nothing else like it. This is the sort of thing that Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren are using at the moment. Well, if you want one of these, get yourself over to Tarmac Sports and they can sort you out. Right, catch you on another idiot in his garage.
Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. You could be sitting.
Thanks for watching our latest video. If you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Well, we hope to see you all again very, very soon.